This is Kiwi Gijoecustoms. I'm going to be looking at repairing this Mutt O-Ring figure. As you can see, the O-ring is broken. This is a new one right here, and I'm going to be using the Phillips screwdriver right here, pair of pliers. Anyway, let's just get ourselves into it. First of all, we're going to remove the screw using a small Phillips head. There's the screw, put it down there. Pry it open ever so gently, and as you can see, here's the O-ring, which is broken. Just throw that away. Now you get your needle nose pliers, the O-ring, give it a bit of a stretch. Place it over the T-bar. T-bar is what joins the legs and the O-ring all that together. Right, thread it through here. Right, onto the back. Then you get the arms. And join it all back together. There we go. And that's it. He is good as new, nice and tight. Ready to put back in my collection.